Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will learn about AWS VPC service. It is very important networking service. This service enables us to launch our web service resources into virtual network which we defined, and it is actually very similar to our traditional network which we operate on our data center, and its benefits in scalability. Now we will see its diagram. So here first of all we need to create VPC, and under that VPC we need to create our public subnet and private subnet, and this public subnet we need to attach to internet gateway. So this internet gateway we need to create first, and in route table we need to attach. So we will see all this in our lab today. Now we will see about what is internet gateway. It enables us our public subnet to connect to internet, and in that public IP should be there, and in our public subnet route table we need to assign it, and we need to assign it to specify our internet gateway, and we need to specify the destination. Now we will see what is the route table. Here if you can see, so first we will have this public subnet and private subnet, and in both of them we will create our route table, and this public subnet, in that public subnet we will attach internet gateway, and we will give this IP so that all traffic is allowed to this. And it is, if you see the definition, a route table containing a set of rules called routes that are used to determine where network traffic from our subnet or gateway is directed. When a network packet arrives at a router, it determines the destination IP of a received packet and makes the routing decision to send the destination. See this, first of all we will create our VPC, and after that we will create public and private subnet from that VPC, and we will create our internet gateway and attach public public subnet, and we will edit our route table. So let's get started. VPC service, and we need to create VPC. Here the VPC, one VPC is already created, it is default VPC. Now I am creating our VPC. So now we will give it a name called, we can give any name, and we will give its CIDR range. One thing I will share with you. Here we are giving this range 10.0.0 plus 16. In that total 65,536 IP we will get starting from this, and it will end to this, and total this we will get, and 5 will be reserved from it for AWS. Now we will create, we will see here it is created. So now we will go to our subnet. So first we will create our public subnet. Now we will select our VPC which we have created, and we will give our VPC name. We will give it a name called public subnet. I request you, if you like my video, please share and like my video. Here we will select east 1A, and we will give that range 10.0.1.0. So it will be from that CIDR range which we have given to our VPC. And after that I will create it. So I will show you 0/24. So here we will get total 256 IP, and as I told before, 5 IP will be reserved for AWS. So here we will click here. So our VPC is created, and as I told, 251 IP we got, and total 256 actually we got. So it is public subnet we have created. So now we will create our private subnet. First of all, we will select our VPC and we will give it a name, my private VPC subnet, and we will mention here East 1B. And before, on our public subnet, we have given this range 10.0.1.0/. Dot 0/. So both the range should not be overlap. I will show you now. If I will give it this name, so as you can see, CIDR address overlaps existing CIDR. So here previously I have given this 1.0, which will start from this range to this one. So it is coming inside that. So if I will give here, that also coming in that, because it is from 1.0 to 1.254. So for that, to eliminate, what we will do, we will create a new range which will start from 2, and it will not overlap that. Now I will show you. Here I will give 2.0. So now we can create it. So now we have created our private subnet as well. It is visible. Now I will create my internet gateway. I will give it a name, my internet gateway. I will create it, and it is in detached state now. We will attach to VPC. We will attach to our VPC which we have created. Hope you are able to understand till now. If you have any doubt, you can ask on comment section. Hope you are also performing that. Now I can see internet gateway is created. After that, I will create route table. I will create one route table for our public subnet and one for our private subnet. I am giving it a name, public route table. I will select the VPC which I created. So after that, we need to here give our internet gateway and subnet association. So now I am not performing it. I want to show you something. So before that, I will create our servers. So I will go to EC2 service. I will go here, instances. I will launch one instance in public subnet and one in private subnet. So here I will give it a name, public instance, so that I can easily recognize it. OS will be this. It is by default selected. It is free tier, and instance type will be t2.micro. Keep here, I can select this. Here in networking option, I need to select the VPC which I have created, and it is already selected public subnet, and here auto assign public IP is disabled, so I will enable it. Then I need to create security group. In that, port 22 is allowed to anywhere, so let it be anywhere. I will allow that. Then I will launch it. Now it is running. So now I will go here, connect. I will try to access that. So here we are getting one error. So here why we are not able to connect, because we have created our server in our public subnet, but we have not given it a path from where it will go to outside. So which I have created our public subnet. So first of all, I will go into routes, and then I will give a path to all over the world, and here I will select the Internet Gateway which I have created. It is our public subnet. Here you can see public subnet, and I will associate. I will go here, subnet association, and then edit subnet association. I will add our public subnet here. Now I will check if I am able to access the server or not. Now I am able to access server. So here I am able to access the server. So that's it from today's video. In next video I will show you how to connect our private subnet instances which we will create, or instance which will be in private subnet, how to access that server. So that's all from this video. So today we have learned how to create VPC, and after that how to create public subnet, private subnet, how to create internet gateway, and how to create route table and add routing to it, subnet association, and route table, what information to be added. Please do share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks a lot.